What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode, and I have my son here, Kyler. He and I have actually been cruising the California coast, and on our adventure, we wound it up here in Monterey Bay, where we're with Brent Mitsch, a fellow YouTuber. Make sure you guys check out his channel. His link is in the description below. And also, we have a couple of paramedics hanging out today. We have Isaac and Nate. Anyway, on that note, I say we jump in the water and see what we can find.
All right, let's do it. All right.
So as we were coming up through the water column, which you guys saw, we had all those stinging nettles, the jellyfish that were there. We were trying to box and push them away. Brent did a great job at keeping them away from us. You know, he's the local, he knows this water.
Yeah, he was the real MVP. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Kyler, man, you get the Iron Man award because I saw your neck like super exposed.
I was like, man, this guy has to be cool.
I was frozen, but I was seeing so many cool things and things
It
that
kinda
I
excites you.
You just want to keep doing it.
You just want to keep going. So, and then that one dead thing that I picked up, not the first one, but the second one with all the starfish on it.
Mola.
That's a mola mola.
Yeah. Again, make sure you guys check out his channel. Make sure you guys show my son some love. Check out his channel. And thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.